how I turned $50, my love for baking, into a real business. Listen, without a storefront, it was without me going viral, it was without me just really having a plan in place while I am a wife, a mother, okay, of 3 amazing children. And I just want to encourage you on today that if I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, and before we get all started in this good thing, I just want to let you know that I am your hype person, all right? Don't you even try to overthink this thing. We're going to go through this thing so well. And baby, guess what? Hey! If I can think correctly, is first of all, when I made my first sale, right? When I first started doing treats, I actually had made a cake. I baked the cake, or no, I'm trying to think of what I did first. I did so many things. I think I did chocolate dipped strawberries when I first started, all right? And I made these strawberries, and my kids, they tasted them. They was like, "Mama, this is nasty." What? It is nasty? Anywho, y'all, I had went to the Walmart or whatever, and I got these candy melts and I melted them, and I just thought I was just doing the darn thing. But to fast forward it, okay, I can talk about me a little bit, enough about me. All right. I can talk about the time when I first made a mistake in my business. I got an order wrong. Somebody had ordered a dozen of Oreos, and I ended up making a dozen of pretzels, and that was like the most hideous thing. And I was like, Veronica, how did you forget this? What were you thinking? Guess what? Let's just say there are going to be times that everything is not going very well for your business. There are going to be times that you're going to feel defeated. There's going to be time you want to throw in the towel, you want to give up. But the purpose of me starting to make these videos is because the very thing that we enjoy doing, we enjoy baking. I don't want it to be something that we hate doing down the line. So the purpose of my videos is to really encourage you guys, to really let you guys know that it's possible. After me losing my job or whatever like that, I only had $50 to my name. And I'm here to encourage you, to let you know, after utilizing these $50, I didn't get an LLC. I didn't try to, make the business all structured correctly or whatever. God just said start. He asked me that I trust him. Do I have faith enough to move and not, just believe? Sometimes we just stop at believing, but do you got the faith enough to move on what he said? All right, let's get down into it. So one thing I want you guys to remember, you have that product, that favorite product that you have. All right. Basically, these $50 was for my ingredients and for my packaging. I bought my ingredients and I bought my packaging for me to make that one. And in my mind, I had to think about, how can I take $50 what I have spent, and how can I double this $50? The great thing about being an accountant, all right, the great thing about numbers is that your girl has the mindset of, how can I make these $50? How can I flip these $50 to bring in 100? Okay, and so, hey, we get on to something. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I think y'all needed that too, because laughter is like a medicine, right? Okay, let's get back to it. So, let's just say you're gonna do chocolate dipped strawberries. Okay, you're gonna buy the strawberries. You're gonna buy the chocolate. Whether you want to start out with almond bark, Godiva, whatever you want to start, the Merkins chocolate. But because we only have $50, your girl didn't do all that. All right. So, Mother's Day is getting ready to come up. All right, you're gonna take these strawberries, you're gonna take this chocolate, you're gonna get you some nice packaging. It may be a little small packaging for your baking supply, or anything of that nature. You may need to get a small, nice, pretty box or whatever. But your goal is, you want to get a little sprinkles and use some little glitter spray. And you want to take these $50, baby, because you're about to make $100, sweetie. All right. This is it. You're about to make $100. You're gonna take that next 50 after you make that 100. You're gonna take that same 50 out of that, and you're gonna do how you say the word? Reciprocity. I think I still said it wrong. It's okay. Anyway, all right. So you're gonna record it. You're gonna record yourself. And you're gonna make it a moment like it's your best moment ever. All right, you in there, you cheesing, you glad, you sad. No, don't be sad. Please don't. Please don't. You're happy and you know it, and you got the joyness in you because God woke you up and gave you the opportunity to do this. All right. And so, guess what? Guess what? What's good? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. In the music, you got this. Let me tell you that again. You got this. Okay. All right. So now that you got your product out the way, you getting your packaging out the way, baby, now your faith, your confidence level, it should be up to here. All right? It should be up to here by this point. All right, so I just want to say that, God gave you this gift for a reason. All right? Don't bury it. Let your light lead you. Let his voice that's calling you abroad, baby. All right, be the face of who God called you to be, what he's invested in you. I don't understand why you were afraid, sweetie, but he has not given you the spirit of fear, but power, love, and a sound mind, my love. All right, so let's just get to the point here. All right, once you pick that one treat, those strawberries, for instance, all right, you're going to get a simple formula. And you're going to price it right. You're going to do one video. You're going to take 3 photos. You're going to do the left angle, the right angle, one here. I don't know if you need to do one there. I don't know. You choose, but it's going to be your best photos. Your best photos, baby. All right. So then you're going to post them on your Instagram. You're going to post them on your TikTok. You're going to post them on your Facebook. Y'all, I know y'all is fired up and ready to do all this, right? And you're going to put on their custom orders open for Mother's Day. For any other day that's holiday that's coming up for you. You're going to post it. Because other people that may see this later on, baby, Mother's Day probably done passed. But happy Mother's Day to all my Mother's Day folks. Hey. All right. So once you do all that, right, I want to let you know that there's no need to be like, oh, I'm behind. I'm just getting started. Guess what? It's the most powerful moment that is going on in your life right now. Right? Regardless of what's been taking place, I want you to keep that energy high. I want you to keep staying motivated. I want you to, even if you have to replay this video to get your energy level back up, that's okay. That's okay. And last but not least, if you need to hear this, comment, I'm next, and I'll personally reply to support you, right? If you need that jittery, hyped up, you need a hype friend, hey, I'm your friend. We friends. You my friend. And that's it, all right? So I thank you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video to somebody that you know can use it. Thank you. Bye.